should be a protocol set in place where this is seriously taken, the compliance of this physical register. There's got to be a protocol in place. The functioning of secretariats kuda manam, when we go there to see the inspection, good category lo almost 80% of them are there. But average and poor category lo, you also have approximately 20% category. So whatever is coming in that average and poor category, you would have to ensure that you pursue for improvement. It is the duty of the collector to ensure that 100% Sachivalayas are 100%, I mean 100%, are good. If there is a Sachivalayam which is rated average or poor, it is your duty to handhold that Sachivalayam to ensure that it becomes good. It's very, very important that you people are committed to this program. Similarly, functioning of volunteers. Functioning of volunteers should also be gauged. You already have a system in place which reports to you periodically on the functioning of volunteers as well. Volunteers where you have a situation where volunteers are not functioning well, average and poor category, they would have to be upgraded, be it volunteer vyavastha, be it Sachivalayam vyavastha. We're looking at only good. I want 100% in that category of good. So please make sure that that is done. Similarly, when you go there, you're also looking at other functions of the Sachivalayam and also rating them. Display of lists of rejected beneficiaries with reasons. And the most important thing is, if somebody's name is mentioned in the list as rejected, and then that somebody comes back and files a grievance, how that grievance redressal is being attended to. Because that grievance redressal will have to be attended by a higher level official. That is the protocol. Please make sure that whether that is properly being done or not. That is very, very important, that grievance redressal mechanism is also, post rejection, is also being followed or not. It's your duty to ensure that it is properly followed. E-crop namod chesetappudu, please ensure that strict instructions are given to the officers concerned not to insist on documentation. This is not a subject for revenue. This is not subject for insisting on documentation. Our duty is to only ensure who the cultivator is and what crop is being cultivated. The objective and the purpose is something else. It has got nothing to do with your revenue records. So please make sure that this does not overshadow what needs to be done. ఖచ్చితంగా ప్రతి ఎకరా గ్రామంలో ఈ క్రాప్ జరగాల్సిందే. The system should become so transparent that the list of the beneficiaries should be displayed for social audit in RBKs. That will happen only when we have proper e-cropping done. When the e-crop untene, crop insurance proper ga jarugutundi,